the record button. When you go to edit it, you can in the quick app you can.
Okay, is that the
That's
GoPro
how I make
app?
that's how I make all those shooting videos.
Okay, that's the GoPro app. Okay.
Yeah.
And I haven't used that. I've used a different one for that.
What are you doing? Okay, let's angle you up a little bit. There we go. That's what we need. All right, here, just like that. That's what you need. Now you're on TV.
That's like a mess.
She don't care. I told you she wouldn't care. What are we doing, puppy? Huh?
Good content. Good content.
Maybe we'll
It's got
turn
red dots on it. Good.
Yeah, I know. I'm touching your back. I know. There we go. So that way it'll get the back of her head like she's like we're watching with her.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect. Turn her loose during the conditioning class.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
that's like just too perfect to like.
Yeah, or you know what she likes to do when I'm sparring in the ring? We're sparring. She's here.
Yeah.
Oh, she's just sitting there watching you guys go at her.
The whole time. It'll be the best video she makes. Is when I'm sparring with y'all on Tuesday nights with her in the ring.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, so Patrizio's gonna come by. We're gonna see you.
Let's save some.